I don't think I've ever been so curious to give anything a try. Hey y'all, I'm Annie, and today I'm gonna be trying to make bacon from banana peels. I saw Tabitha Brown making this on her vegan channel a few months ago, and it looked intriguing. Now, I've seen a lot of fake meat creations out there, from carrot hot dogs to watermelon steaks, but this is a new one for me, and it'll probably be new for you too. But I'll give this one a shot because it looks kind of appealing. Oh my gosh, I should not have said that. So I started with a little bit of vegetable oil in my pan, and I'm gonna heat that up to around 400. I wanna get it really hot to flash fry the peels. And here I have my bananas. I went ahead and bought organic bananas, which I don't normally do, but I also don't normally eat the peel. So I want to make sure there's not that many preservatives and extra stuff on the outside. But got my bananas and I've washed them. Now it's time to just peel the bananas, cut off the ends, and get nice thick strips. Now I just want to remove the stringy flesh. As I've done more banana peel research, I found it can do some pretty incredible things. Banana peels can whiten your teeth, relieve poison ivy itch, polish your silver, probably a hair mask, if y'all saw me do that. So don't sleep on the banana peel. Got a whole plate of peels. And just like cooking regular bacon, you don't want to crowd the pan. So I have a plate lined with paper towels to transfer the oily peels to so that they can crisp up a little bit. This will hopefully soak up some of that oil. Dude, it is getting kind of golden. Weird. Okay, it's like neon green now. I don't know, that don't look like bacon to me. Nah. Maybe the first round is not the best, like pancakes. Okay, this is a good round. That's some real faking color. Ooh, y'all see that? Now they are cute. Okay, so this is after just about 20 seconds. It's gotten a lot thinner, but that is crispy. Like, I can only imagine how much more it's gonna crisp up. It'll definitely provide some nice texture, if anything, even if the flavor's really bad. I can preheat my oven to 375, where I'll be re-baking my bacon. Time to whip up my marinade. To make our marinade, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Come on now. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon liquid smoke, and then 2 optional pinches of MSG. This is not necessarily a favorite ingredient of the health food industry, but adds a lot of flavor. I've just got a baking rack over my sheet pan, and I'm gonna do a little painting. It'll definitely add that color that I was needing. And flip to the other side. Into my 375-degree oven for about 5 minutes, and then we'll do a little flip. Ooh, check this out. It smells a little bit like teriyaki. And we will repeat. Back to the oven. See you when you're crispy. Whoa, it's even looking on like a little bit too crispy. Well, would you guess that's a banana peel? I sure wouldn't. Before trying it, I'm gonna move it back to paper towels to let it crisp up one final time. And the color completely changed thanks to the help of our marinade. In the meantime, I'll prepare the rest of the BLT. I don't think I've ever been so curious to give anything a try, because it looks good. Are y'all seeing this? Who else would take a bite? Now, I've seen this used as bacon crumbles, maybe over a salad or something, so you only get little bits and pieces of it. But no, I'm gonna go right in, take a full bite, crispy. Let's see how it breaks. It's crackly, still a little bit of chew. Weird. You would know you were eating a banana peel, obviously. It almost has the flavor of beef jerky, the smokiness, and you can definitely taste the sweetness. And then you get bits of like really, really crunchy parts, and then some with a little bit more chew. So here's a color comparison. I went ahead and made some real bacon on the skillet. I mean, you're not gonna fool anybody with that, but it's better than I had expected. Okay, time to build my sandwich. All right, let's give it a try. It's just not the same. I mean, I'm more inclined to just eat it on its own than like expect a piece of bacon in a BLT. Not a bad sandwich. It's just a little bit too sweet. That marinade just offers too much flavor that you don't really want. I wouldn't do this again. Now let's see if I can just replace that with some real bacon. Real bacon just can't be beat. There is no substitution. I'm sorry. I wish. No. Not in my book. Okay, final thoughts. Is it worth the extra time, ingredients, and just effort? For me, no. If I was completely not eating meat, maybe. Maybe your taste buds have changed a little bit at that point. So you're like more excited about the taste of teriyaki crispy peels. If you've ever tried this or any other fakin' recipe out there, let me know how this one compares in the comments below. If you would never be caught dead frying up a banana peel, you can let me know that too, just for fun. To make sure you don't miss any of the content we are trying out in the kitchen, make sure you're following Allrecipes on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Well, now I have so many leftover bananas, I've got to make more Queen's banana bread. Can we consider just calling it fried bacon peels instead of fake bacon? Because then you just have the idea of bacon in your head and you're gonna be let down. It's like kale chips. Like we don't call, kale chips are great on their own, but we don't try and call them like fake pork rinds or anything. Just like kale chips, like, try it. Don't understand.